Does stretching exercise really enlarges penis? Yes, it does. That is how penis pump works. The problem here is consistency. For you to do this exercise, you need your penis to be hard. Okay. You can make it hard, or whatever it is you can use to stimulate your brain to make your penis erect. Do it, okay? And the one advantage here is this, okay? You are going to learn how to stimulate your penis and not orgasm, okay? Before you stimulate and pop, okay? So now you will stimulate your penis mentally or physically to make it hard, but no pop. Your body is going to get used to stimulation without orgasm, okay? So this cucumber is going to serve as our hard penis, okay? So this is how it works. You're going to lie down like this. Then you make your penis hard. That is after your penis is fully hard. I'm going to use this cucumber as our hard penis, okay? So when your penis is hard, you hold it like this. Then you move your leg like this. Hold the penis to your belly. Hold it, press it to your stomach. And then you pull your leg down. Go down again. Your hard penis like this. Hold it. Pull down. You release it. Then you come, press it, hold it, and you release it. And you come again, hold it, press it to your stomach, go down. You're going to feel that your hardened penis is pulling itself out. As you're holding it, you are forcing it to pull out like this. You're pulling it out like this. You make it hard again, you go, then you go some reps. You open your leg, go 10 reps, close your legs, you go 10 reps, okay? Just do that. You're gonna see a huge result. Okay, you're gonna do your leg like this, not like this, like this. Place your one of your leg like this and do this one straight. Okay, this is your hard penis. And so I hope you can see that very well. There is it. You bring your legs to this position, then take your hard penis, press it to your stomach again. Do you get this? Make your penis hard, press it to your stomach in this position, then you stretch this only leg. Do this, do this, do this, do this. As you're doing this, you're stretching your penis. It's pulling it out. Okay, you're going to feel pain there. Okay, so you do this 1, 2, 3. If it's 5 times, you can go, you go. If you can do up to 10, you go. Then you switch again to this side. Okay, I hope you can see that. You press your hard penis to your belly, then again 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you rise. You go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is your half penis. Okay. So all you do is this: you bend down, hold it, then stand. So you can feel that. Hold it to your belly again. Stand like this. This is your half penis. You bend like this. Press it to your belly, then pull upward. Release it again. Then hold it to your belly. Pull. You stay some seconds, like 3, 2, 4. Go like this. Hold it. Pull. Hold it for some seconds. Then release. Okay. The first day you start doing it, you're gonna feel pain. Okay. Hold it to your belly. Up. hold it for some seconds, then release it. Hold it to your belly, or then again release it to your belly, or you release it. Do that like 10 times for 3 sets. Okay, you're gonna see the results. Okay, that is how you can stretch your penis at home. Then let's go to the other one. Okay, so your penis should be very very hard before you can do this particular one. All the exercise I gave you, all the exercise I gave you, your penis should be hard, very very hard. Okay, so let's go. You're going to do it like this. Pull it again. 1 2 3 4, this direction. Then you rest and come again. 1 2 3 4, continue like that. You do 30 here, 30 here. Okay, this one is easier, but tell you this, you're gonna feel pain. Okay, you're gonna feel pain. It's just like you're building your muscles as well. So the first day you're gonna feel pain there, the tear you're gonna feel it. After some time you'll not feel it again. Okay, so that is how it works. It's like this. You hold it. 1 2 3 4 5. Your penis should be very hard. Okay, when you start to lose your erection, you stop it, make your penis hard again, then you go like this, like this, move to one side, like this, like this, like this. Then after some reps, you go to this side again. Do the same thing here, here. Okay, you are going to see a huge difference in the length of your penis. I promise you. Okay, this is not a bullshit. Oh, bro, I'm telling you this. This is fully engage your penis and pull it out and add some inches to it after being faithful to this. Okay, all the problem here is faithfulness, consistency. If you're consistent with all this exercise I'm giving you, you're going to see results in the length of your penis. Okay, so just stay faithful to this. Okay, and most important thing is what you should watch out for is blood flow in your body. How can you increase blood flow? Okay, that is the most important thing that can make your penis bigger and give you hard direction. Okay, your penis might be longer, bigger, and fuller if you don't have enough blood to bring that size out. You're not going to see any size at all. You're not going to see any kind of difference. Okay, but if your blood is pumping very well, you are going to see a very huge difference in your penis size. I've seen from all this shitty stuff that you are taking into your body. Okay, just eat good food. Food increase the blood flow. You're going to see difference in your performance, in the size of your penis as well. Okay, so I'm telling you this, okay, from personal experience. Okay, just of all of that, and you're going to see changes in your penis. Okay, so eat good food, food that gives you good health, then do exercise on a regular basis. You're going to see difference. Thank you for watching the video. I love you guys. Remember, you're out there. I want you to be the best of yourself in the bed, in life, in every aspect of your life. Show some love by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up. I love you guys. Bye bye.